everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change the type of work in Kahoot app. So you've done your profile, you choose a particular type of work, but now you want to change it as a teacher. So what do? On your Kahoot app, you click on your profile icon at the top left corner, then you click on the gear icon at the top right corner, and then you click on profile settings. So give it a few minutes, let's say a few seconds to open up, and when it does, so it's taking a few extra seconds, as you can see. So it has opened up. Now you scroll down until you see account details, and you can see account type is teacher account, type of work, school. That's how I don't want to be school anymore. Because I want to use higher education. Higher education, I can choose, and it's now saved. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to change account type. Don't forget, it's not just this you can change any of them, from school to higher education, from education to school administration, business, and others. It all depends on you. So hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.